This issue is coming from React Native Reanimated package. Let's fix it together. React Native Reanimated. So I'm using 3.16.3 version. Let's come on documentation. The latest one is the same 3.16.3. So this issue is not from this version. Let's downgrade it. But before downgrade it, let's uninstall it first. I'm installing this package. Before downgrading to these steps, first remove node modules and then carefully remove package log.json file. Now install node modules. So node module has been installed. Now run this command npm ls react native reanimated. React Native Reanimated has dependency on two different packages. First is bottom shade, second is reanimated carousel. If you are also seeing that React Native Reanimated is listing after running this command, so you don't need to do anything else. Your project will be start running. Let's do. So yes, app is installed properly. But what if that you are not able to see that list when you run this npm ls react native reanimated command, and you are not able to see any of the list available? What in that case you have to manually downgrade the react native reanimated dependency. For example, npm install react native reanimated @ and the version whatever you wants to use. Here I'm using 3.16.3 and hit enter. It will install the same version, and after doing this, rerun your application and this will work. And you can check all the versions list on the official documentation, this versions tabs, and here all the versions available. You can choose the correct one. Yes, that was it. Thank you so much.